Hey guys, looking for a proxy tool that's both powerful and easy to use? This video's for you. In the next 4 minutes, I'll break down 3 popular proxy tools with real demos and my honest take. No nonsense insights. Let's jump right in. V2RAN is one of the most popular proxy clients people use today. This tool handles all your proxy setup and management needs, supporting both HTTP and SOCKS protocols for easy configuration. Here's how it works. Click Configurations, choose your proxy type, fill in your proxy list info, and confirm. You see the setup is done. Very simple. After adding your proxies, you can organize them into groups, like all US ones together. V2RAN also lets you test the connection speed, latency, and customize your routing rules for better performance. You can also share your proxy list easily using a QR code or a link. What I value V2RAN most is its practicality and working perfectly on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Totally free. By the way, if you need a fast and stable proxy, try IPcook Residential Proxy. New users get 100 MB free. Grab it in the description below. If you're looking for a more advanced way to manage your proxies, you might want to check out a tool called Proxy. It's not a free tool, but it offers much richer proxy management features compared to V2RAN. Setting up your proxy is super easy. Open Profile, select Proxy Servers, fill in your proxy list, and click OK. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to set this proxy as default. Click Yes to complete the setup. One really cool feature is that you can create proxy chains, which helps improve your privacy and security. You can also go to Proxification Rules to set up custom connection rules. This means you can assign different proxies to specific apps or programs on your computer. You can monitor your proxy usage and history in real time on the Traffic and Statistics section. For about $40 right now, Proxy unlocks professional proxy management, an ideal choice if budget allows. If you only need a browser proxy, Proxy Switchy Omega is your first choice. It works flawlessly on Chrome and Firefox. You can easily install it from your browser's extension store. Open the options page to set up your proxy. Add a new profile, give it a name, choose Proxy Profile, and create. Then fill in the proxy list info. Click Apply Changes. That's it. Your proxy is ready to go. Auto switch mode is the highlight. It automatically uses the right proxy for specific sites, like IP-sensitive ones. This creates a stable, smooth experience, perfect for managing multiple proxies or accessing global content. Now you can check our final comparison chart to see what fits your needs. If you're an everyday user looking for a free, all-in-one solution, V2RAN is perfect. It handles your basic proxy needs with easy setup, grouping, and speed tests, all at no cost. Proxy is the go-to tool for power users who need advanced control. Its truly powerful features include per-app routing and proxy chaining. One license costs $39.95. For users who just want browser-level proxying, look no further than Proxy Switchy Omega. It seamlessly auto-switches proxies based on the website. It's completely free. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to claim the 100 MB free proxy from IPcook. Link is in the description. If this helps, support with a like and subscribe for more features and offers. See you in the next one.
IPcook, your fast and reliable proxies for every need.